Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new note on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. But if you want to create a new note, just click to the plus icon at the lower right corner of the home screen and click to the standard note button. And here you can find you can select a paper, square, line or others. You can set different columns if you have premium, and you can find different colors, and you can set different covers to your notebooks. If you finish, click to the create button and you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.